Hi, welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. My name's John. In the first part of tonight's nightcap, I finish off the machine lamp that I started last week. I also make a start on a repair on a traction engine water gauge. Quite an involved repair. I spent quite a bit of time on that. In part 2, I'm going to show some more of the Hawker steam engine restoration that's coming on really well now. Next weekend is the last steam rally of the season for us, and it's at Brunton Airfield, which is up near Alnwick. It's worth having a look. There's all kinds here, not just steam stuff, there's tractors, cars that have a good car boot sale, and they also have an auction. So if you're up there and you see me, please come and say hello, because seriously, I don't bite. This is a cutout for me youngest grandson. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I think one or two of my younger viewers may recognise it. I found some suitable twin core flex. It's actually very slightly smaller than what was in, but it's the same gauge wire, so it should be a little bit easier to thread round this thing. It was only, I think it was 79 pence for this length, which is basically for nothing, because it is going to make a nice job. I wonder if I should put a thin wire through first, use like a draw wire to pull this thicker wire through with, because it doesn't want to friggin' play. I think that's what I'll do. I'll put a piece of thin wire through, tape it to that one, and then pull that through with it. This is the first junction and it's working itself already, so it's in there somewhere. I've got a twist in the bastard. Unbelievable. I put it on the wrong side. Oh, John, man. How have you done that, son? Right, hopefully this time better. Not so bad now. That's got to go under that plate, John. Surely. Indeed it has. Right, I think we've got it sussed now. This is been a really nicely made kit, this. Doesn't want to play, I mean, bastard thing. It will play, but it doesn't want to. Come off, so it'll go back on. That's it. And there's a lock ring, goes onto there. Come on, John. And that locks it all in place. Right, looking better now. It always amazes me how my friend Bob can work on little DTI gauges, and he's got big podgy fingers, bigger than mine. I mean that in a nice sort of way. Come on, you snivelling bastard, you. Come on, man, John. Right. That's cleaned up quite nicely in there. It was absolutely filthy. It turns and locks into there like that. The holes in the back are a little bit of air circulate through because it'll run an incandescent bulb which run really hot. Modern LED stuff doesn't. Right, that's a nice new bulb in. quite pleased with that. I've got a pre-wired plug here. I don't know where it'll come off. I've cut it off something. I can see in there it's got a 13 amp fuse. You don't need a 13 amp fuse on a lamp like this, so we'll change that for a 3 amp fuse. I've already put the earth connection on, and I'm just going to join these two with the terminal block onto the new wire in the lamp, and then we're basically ready to try it. It's going to be mounted yet, so I have to take this back a bit so I can mount it. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to mount it to. Possibly a block of steel, an old brake disc or something similar. Or mount it straight onto the bench, I don't know. Haven't decided yet. And I did remember to put the gland nut on before I put the wire in. Sort of thing that you forget, and you've got to go back and cut the plug off or take the wires off again. Might as well do the job properly. Right, that's pretty good. Now the fuse. I'm sure I'll have a 13 amp fuse in. I think it was off a microwave, this lead. It is indeed 13 amp. You don't need anywhere near that for a 100 watt light bulb. 3 amp fuse will be fine. Right. Excellent. That's a nice light, no shutters. Very good. You can put it anywhere you want it as well. Very happy. Excellent. It's an LED bulb as well, so there's no heat involved. Or very little heat compared to an incandescent bulb. So now I'll be able to see when I damage things. Oh dear me. Yep. Very happy. Some of the way the wire wraps around yours so it doesn't get damaged or chaffed.